What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, guys, on my channel. How you guys doing today, guys? And it's Cool Boy Z back with another video, guys. And guys, today we're gonna play Subway Surfers, guys. So guys, if this video gets 10 likes, guys, I'll do another video on Subway Surfers. And yeah, let's get started. And guys, I'm sorry I did not make videos for 2 months. I think it's been like 2 months since I didn't make video. I think it would have been like 2 months. I think it was like the last video I made was on like on Thanksgiving. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't make videos and stuff, school and all that. But yeah, it's Christmas break, and I'm gonna try to make many videos as possible. Until before school start back. So yeah, let's get started. If you guys love Subway Surfers, make sure comment down below. Tell me your favorite game. I can't believe I died. I was just focusing that long. Guys, I'm really good at the game because one time I made it to 900 and I'm not even lying. I didn't make it to 900, but I made it like to 200 and stuff. But I think it was one time I think I made it to 900. And then I almost made it to 1000, but I died because. I'm not bad at the game. I'm really good. I've been playing this game since I was a little kid, and I still play it sometimes. So I want to do it as a video for you guys. And guys, we're almost at 100 subscribers, guys. You guys know we're at 97. So we can get the 100 subscribers too, guys. And guys, today I'm actually doing another video, guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys the video, but I'm doing another video today, guys. I'm actually gonna post that today. I'll do that video tomorrow. I mean yesterday, but I didn't have time. So today I'm gonna post it. Guys, comment down below, tell me what you guys got for Christmas. I didn't even open my present yet because I got up like kinda late. Oh crap, crap, I should've got that. If you guys think Subway Surfers is a good game, just comment down below too because I think Subway Surfers is a really popular game. Just saying, like, I think it's a really popular game because a lot of people like playing it. I think Fortnite is kind of more popular than Subway Surfers. For me, I think a lot of people say Subway Surfers is a popular game. Subway Surfers is a popular game too, but I feel like oh crap, my bad. I feel like Fortnite kind of a popular game too. What do you guys think is a more popular game, Subway Surfers or Fortnite? Just comment down below, Cause I think, I don't know why, but I feel like I think Subway Surfers are Fortnite. I don't know because I feel like a lot of people love Fortnite more than Subway Surfers. I kind of love Fortnite and Subway Surfers both, even if I don't play the game that much. Like I play the game like once in a while, and I'm still kind of good at it. And you know. Oh my god, why am I keep dying, bruh? Oh, I got Trixie hat. If you guys want me to use the next character, I think I'm gonna unlock the next character. Trixie, you know. You can unlock her after you unlock. I don't know I don't know this name. I don't know his name. I really don't know his name because you know. But I know Trixie name. That's his name. That's her name. I think I pronounced it right. Yeah, are you guys excited? Like 2020 is actually coming, guys, and it's actually you know kind of no, gosh, guys. Listen, you gotta not be acting like you said I was really good at the game. I'm really good, but I don't know what's happening today. Like, though I said I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna practice more at this game. No, I'm gonna be quiet because I keep talking, so I'm just gonna be quiet. Oh my god. Guys, okay guys, it's kind of funny. I don't even know why I'm dying so fast today. Like guys, you do been up with servers. You know, I get the 200 and stuff. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little video, guys. I'm sorry. I really thought it would be that good today, but you know, it's kind of funny. But yeah, if you guys want more Subway Surfer videos and more videos like Subway Surfers and stuff, please comment down below and tell me what games should I do. And another video is coming out today. I'm not gonna tell you guys what time, but another video is coming out today. So get ready for it. Subscribe, turn on notification bells, comment down, like, subscribe, turn on notification bells, like the video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.